Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Today's topic is this: bank stocks you should buy. There are about 4 bank stocks that you would need to buy right now. One of them is Absa. Absa released some very good results and they are considering giving dividends. So Absa is a good stock you should buy. Absa also is embracing innovation. They want to use WhatsApp and WhatsApp banking. It's a very good thing because many Kenyans have WhatsApp. And if you can send money to your bank using WhatsApp and you don't have to go to the bank or don't have to use M-Pesa, it's a good thing to watch. Another bank you need to buy is KCB and Equity. Those are the market leaders. I'm reading a book by Jack Bernstein, Day Trading. Jack Bernstein says that when you want to buy a good stock, then you need to buy stocks that are the market leaders. And this idea or this theory is supported by William O'Neill in his book, How to Make Money Trading Stocks. They state that when you want to buy stocks, you buy market leaders. This idea is also supported by Warren Buffett. Last week or last month, I was reading a book by Warren Buffett. And Warren Buffett, the book was called Snowball. And Warren Buffett says that when you want to buy a company, then you need to buy a company that is a market leader. And for this case, Equity Bank and KCB, they are market leaders and they are companies you need to buy. The other stock that you need to buy, I've told you, Coke is a good bank to buy. KCB is a good bank to buy. Equity Bank is a good bank to buy. The other bank that you need to buy, and is the subject of this video, is Diamond Trust Bank. DTB is making historical lows. Today is 55. And so I've told people in my Telegram group, I have a Telegram group. If you're not a member of that Telegram group, join. Click the link below in the description or in the comment. It's a pinned comment. If you don't have DTB, then you need to buy DTB, Diamond Trust Bank, today. If you can buy tomorrow, buy tomorrow. Maybe the price would have dropped to about 53, 54. The main reason for buying Diamond Trust Bank is this. Jack Bernstein in his book says that when a stock is making extreme lows, when the price is oscillating between extreme levels, buy. Let me read for you a portion. He says, one of the most important relationships in the stock and commodity markets is that the opening versus the closing price of the day. Note that this relationship, as I use it, applies only to those day session trading and not to after hours trading. Several day trading systems and methods have been developed based on this relationship for application. Then he defines the oscillator method. An oscillator is a timing indicator that comprises 2 or more moving averages. To oscillate means to move between 2 extremes. To oscillate means to move back and forth between 2 extremes. An oscillator, therefore, is an indicator that changes value between 2 extreme levels. And the oscillation of DTB has moved between extreme levels. The extreme level we are witnessing now is 55 price, a price of 55. A price that has never been seen even during the corona period last year. When things were thick, we didn't see 55. But should it move lower to 53, 54, buy. This is a very good price for DTB. Bearing in mind that DTB was nearly 250 shillings sometimes back. And then it dropped to about 150 shillings. DTB at this level is very good. So ladies and gentlemen, Again, I was referring to day trading stocks. Day trading has been introduced in Kenya, by the way, by the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and to the people who introduced day trading in Kenya, I want to say congratulations. Thank you very much. Day trading is the new gold. You can buy stocks in the morning and sell in the evening. You can buy stocks today and sell tomorrow. Day trading is the best thing under heaven to happen in Kenya. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not in the stock market, join us in the stock market. I have a Telegram group where we talk about the stock market 24/7. Secondly, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.